UN rights expert urges Iran to end death penalty for minors. The UN independent expert on human rights in Iran urged Tehran on Wednesday to abolish the death penalty for juveniles. Javaid Rehman, Special Rapporteur for Human Rights in Iran, told a General Assembly Human Rights Committee, "I appeal to the Iranian authorities to abolish the practice of sentencing children to death and to commute all death sentences issued against children in line with international law." He continued, "Claims that one young woman was coerced into confessing to a killing, had been beaten following her arrest, and was the victim of domestic violence were reportedly not adequately examined during her trial." Rehman said that the Iranian executions continued despite amendments in 2013 to the Islamic Penal Code that allow judges to give alternate sentences for juvenile offenders in certain circumstances. He said there were numerous other juvenile offenders on death row in Iran. Teachers' union representative disappears in northeast Iran. The wife of a prominent Iranian teachers' union leader said Wednesday that Iranian security forces had detained her husband and hospitalized him for a purported mental illness that she knew nothing about. Sadeghi Malaki, the wife of Sayed Hasham Kastar, has said that the IRGC intelligence agency arrested or abducted Kastar without providing an arrest warrant. He has been hospitalized since Tuesday in Mashhad's Ebsina psychiatric hospital that is specifically designed to treat mentally disturbed patients. She continued, "A nurse told me that Kastar has been hospitalized in an emergency room and is banned from any family visits based on orders issued by security officials." Kastar has time and time again been harassed by operatives linked to the Iranian regime that are defending the rights of Iran's teachers. On numerous occasions, he was arrested by the mullah's intelligence agents and placed behind bars. Azerbaijani activist arrested in Tabriz. Azerbaijani activist and Tabriz resident Nazim Sadeghi was arrested by security forces on her walk home on October 21st. On a phone call with her child from an undisclosed location, she explained that she had been taken into custody. Security forces also confiscated her personal belongings, including her cell phone, computer, and books. No further information is available about her location or the charges against her. On 28 July 2016, Sadeghi was among dozens apprehended for their participation in a public protest against controversial comments published in a newspaper. The prosecutor's interrogation office of Tabriz Revolutionary Court Branch 7 accused her of acting against national security, and interrogated her for 5 days in the Intelligence Detention Center of Tabriz. She was released on bail of approximately $8,000 pending trial. Canadian resident in Iran returned to prison without receiving treatment. Imprisoned Iranian-born Canadian resident Saeed Malekpour, who was hospitalized in a heart unit of Tehran's Telegani Hospital, was returned to Evin prison on Tuesday without receiving adequate treatment. He has been imprisoned in Tehran since 2008 without a single day of leave. Malekpour, 43, was a computer programmer and web designer living as a permanent resident in Canada before he was arrested during a visit to Iran in 2008 and charged with insulting the sacred for allegedly creating an online pornographic network. He has denied all knowledge of the program being used for this purpose. In September 2010, a revolutionary court sentenced him to death, but the sentence was ultimately commuted from death to life imprisonment in August 2013.